What's up YouTube? What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Smitty and this is my truck and travel channel. So why did you see a bunch of welcome to signs in the beginning of this video? Well, I am back on the road and where I'm going, your guess is as good as mine. But I decided to make a quick stop in Arkansas. Yeah, I'm saying that right. There's no W in Arkansas. But I'm currently in Little Rock, Arkansas, and I wanted to show you around a few places. Without further ado, let's get to it. I'm not gonna lie, I've always wanted to get on the submarine, and this place actually offers some tours, so in about 5 minutes we're gonna go down there. So I'm in the torpedo room. Like check this out, guys. Got your bunks. The guys will sleep up here, and your torpedoes are right here. They got 8 of them in here.
Watch your step there.
All right. Could you imagine living in these tiny quarters? about to go onto a tugboat. This is why I never wanted to join the Navy. I'm too damn tall. Did you get to drive a boat today? So why am I out here filming these statues? Why are you looking at these statues? Who do these statues even represent? These statues are known as the Little Rock Nine. In 1957, these 9 students, 5 girls, 4 boys, were the first African-American students to attend an all-white school in Little Rock Central High School. Could you imagine the adversity that they felt? Could you imagine the anxiety that they felt going to an all-white school? This was the turning point for America to desegregate all schools in America. Little Rock Central High School opened in 1869 and it's still open today. And because of these 9 students, it is what you know it is today. And these 9 students right behind the camera all face the governor's window at City Hall as a constant reminder of where we came from. So I finally made it to my next destination and you will not believe what it's called. No, I'm not gonna swear. No, I'm not using a curse word, but this thing is called the Big Damn Bridge. The Big Damn Bridge. But I'll probably only walk about halfway and come back. But yeah, check out the bridge. See what I mean by it being a big damn bridge? I'm probably only gonna walk to about those flags right there because I want to see what's right there, and I'm gonna turn back. But it's really nice out here. The weather's probably like 60 degrees. You can't hear me, I'm sorry. It's really windy up here. But after a quick Google search, Wikipedia says this bridge is 14 miles long. I said 5. And after I looked at that sign, this section of the bridge is 8, and then it stems off a few times. The poster, I'll put it right here. My zoom don't go that far. Is anyone a kid like me? Another thing I read on Wikipedia is that is the largest bridge that has ever been made just for pedestrians walking, running, and biking. That's insane. But I just got back to my car. I'm trying to eat a little healthier, eat a little lighter, so I'm just gonna open me a can of tuna. Great for protein, maybe 2 if I'm starving. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. Nothing like some fantastic tuna, bro. Fantastic. Cheers. I haven't shown y'all my new build. I made a second drawer, so now it's basically a big platform again. But I'm really liking it. Having an extra big bed. It's awesome. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. I'm gonna head to the gym, get a little workout in. Stay tuned next week for part 2 of this trip to Arkansas.